How to fix games not launching on EA app. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this EA tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix game not launching on EA. So it is very simple. Just ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your EA account, just like how. And then once you're logged in, this is how the home page will look like. At the top part of the screen, you can search out games you would like to play. Now, if you've searched out the game, so example, this is the game you'd like to play, and then you've installed this particular game. If you've installed it and you cannot launch the app or the game on your app. The next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three dashes. When you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box displayed, the next step is to click on the help option. Alright, so once you click on the help option, you can decide to visit answers on HD, like visit answers HQ, that's to find answers to the reason why your game is not launching and to get solution. And then you can also decide to report the error by clicking on this error reporter. Once you click on EA error reporter, a window would pop up at the middle of the screen, just as you can see now. Once this window pops up, you'll be asked to type the problem, description, and then submit a report. When you submit a report, EA help team will look into it and then it will be verified. Alright. And then another option is to click on the three dashes again, click on help, and then you can also restart the app. Alright, you can restart the app. And once you start the app, try launch the game again. If the problem persists, you can now click on app recovery. Alright, so once you click on app recovery, you'll be asked to clear cache. Now, once you click on clear cache, the app would restart itself. Alright, so restart and then the game should launch now. But the major way I recommend is by using the EA error reporter. This way, EA help center will be able to look into it and rectify the game it easily, such that you will not have issues again with launching that game or those games on your EA app. So this is how you can fix this problem. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.